Okay, guys, so what I want to do now, I want to explain, okay, um, the the corporate valuations and options theory, okay? That bond and stocks can be treated as options on the underlying company value, okay? And this is the heart of modern corporate theory. So let's say that we have V, which issues a debt, and the instrument, which is a zero coupon bond, 1 year forward, okay? So there is a new issuance here, and the bond matures 1 year from now, okay? So now let's look on the value of the underlying company. So V1 is going to be the company value in a year. Okay? And K is our principal. So if V1 is less than K, then bondholders take over the company, and this is bankruptcy. And if V1 bigger than K, so the payoff of the bond for the equity holders will be V1 minus K. Okay, so let's say that we have 100, the price of the company now is 100, so we have two scenarios. One scenario where it's 110, another scenario, let's say, where it is 80. Okay, so in this case, 110 minus 90, the equity holders will get $20. Okay, and if it's 80, okay, the equity holders will not get anything. So here you can see that if U1 equals 80, the equity holders doesn't get anything, and the bond holders will take over the company. Okay? Now, if U1 is less than K, then equity price is 0. So you can think about this as this classical diagram where the bond holders have a priority over the equity holders in a case that the company cannot pay the debt. So the bondholders will take over the company, and that's what we call the bankruptcy process. Okay? Now, how do we look on this from the payoffs perspective? So if you have an equity, so I can say that equity is a call option on the company. Why? Because if the value of the company is bigger than my K, which is my strike, okay, then V1 minus K will be my payoff. And if U1 is less than K, then it's going to be 0. Hence, my payoff is a maximum of V1 minus K with 0. Now, what about the company and the bondholder? So, if V1 is bigger than K, then you just pay off the principal. You are not declaring bankruptcy, of course. And if V1 is less than K, then you have then V1 is basically takes over the company. The company is taken over by the bondholders. Okay? So the payoff for the bondholders is a minimum of the company value and K. So let's say that the minimum, that the company value is 80 and K equals 90, then it's minimum of 80, 90, 80. So in this case, company is bankrupt. And in the other case, let's say V1 equals 100, but this is at maturity. This is important. And K equals 90, okay, the minimum of 190 is 90. So you basically pay off the debt, okay? So that is the explanation in a nutshell. I hope that you enjoyed it, and hopefully see you soon tomorrow. Have a great Sunday. Bye.